This is day 2 of the blizzard. Very deep. I've already shaken the bushes off once, and they're almost filled back up. The poor little deer. The baby is almost covered. They almost look like rams. Even my tall lights are getting to the point where they're almost covered. The snow keeps coming. Everybody's out here digging. Post office man still running. Supposed to keep up for the next 2 days. We'll see how it turns out. Mailbox is almost completely covered. On the driveway alone, I mean, we're looking at a little over 20 inches right here that I was able to plow out this morning. It's a bit deeper in some of the other areas, like out here. People walking up and down with snow blowers. So yeah, about 20 to 30 inches here in the driveway. Whew. This is part 5, day 2. What time is it? I think it's about noon, about 11:55 a.m. All right. We'll see you guys later. We'll see what it looks like in a couple of hours as it continues. We'll see if it actually covers up the deer completely here. Super beautiful though. Very beautiful. Love the way the trees look. I'm sure, Ryan, you would love some of this snow. Gina says she's lucky if she gets rain. Well, Gina, this is what I get. 2 to 3 feet of snow in like a day. And supposed to keep going. And I've heard that there's supposed to be more next week. Alright guys, I'm out.